You won't believe the crazy way frog dads carry their babies on their backs. It's like they have their own built-in baby backpacks. Some species of frogs, like the midwife toad, have a really unique way of taking care of their young. The male frog will actually carry the eggs on his back until they're ready to hatch. This is because the female frog will lay her eggs on the male's back, and then he'll carry them around with him, keeping them safe and moist until they're ready to become tiny frogs. This is just one example of the amazing ways that amphibians take care of their families. From frogs to toads and even salamanders, these little creatures have some big responsibilities when it comes to parenting. For example, some species of frogs will build complex nests out of vegetation and mud to keep their eggs safe from predators, while others will even go so far as to feed their tadpoles by eating less food themselves so they can produce more nutrients for their young. But it's not just the dads that are involved in child care. Many species of amphibians have a pretty equal parenting system, where both the male and female will take turns caring for their eggs and young. In some cases, the female will even give the male a little nudge to remind him it's his turn to take care of the kids. It's like they have their own little amphibian parenting schedule. This kind of teamwork is really important because amphibian parents have to be careful. Their eggs and young are vulnerable to all sorts of predators, from birds and snakes to other amphibians. Amphibian parents also have to worry about keeping their eggs and young in the right environment, with the right amount of moisture and temperature. It's a big job, but they seem to handle it pretty well. And it's not just about survival. Many amphibian parents will even go to great lengths to teach their young important skills, like how to hunt and find food. It's like they have their own little amphibian school. The way that amphibians care for their young is really fascinating. And there's still so much to learn about these amazing creatures and the different ways that they raise their families. Some amphibians are solitary parents, meaning they take care of their young on their own, while others are more like co-parents, working together to raise their little ones. For example, some species of frogs will form long-term monogamous relationships, and both parents will take turns incubating their eggs and caring for their tadpoles. It's a pretty impressive display of teamwork and dedication. In other cases, amphibian parents will go to great lengths to protect their young from predators, like building complex nests or even carrying their eggs on their backs. The midwife toad, for instance, is a species of frog where the male will carry the eggs on his body until they're ready to hatch. It's a remarkable sight to see. Amphibians also have some pretty unique parenting strategies, like the female Darwin's frog, who will swallow her tadpoles and then incubate them in her stomach before giving birth to fully formed froglets. It's a bizarre but effective way to keep her young safe from predators. As we continue to learn more about amphibian family life, we're constantly reminded of just how diverse and fascinating these creatures are. From the intricate social dynamics of some species to the remarkable parenting strategies of others, there's no shortage of interesting stories to explore. So if you're as captivated by these amazing creatures as we are, be sure to check out our next video, where we'll be diving into the secret lives of reptiles and exploring the often surprising ways that they interact with their environments and the other creatures that live there.